Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to welcome all my new subscribers. It's a pleasure to have you guys here. On this video, I want to basically attempt to clean up my small balcony area. As you can see, I have a whole lot of trash and dead leaves and a lot of aloe vera plants that just keep multiplying. So I'm trying to get a control of it. So that's my daughter trying to help me clean up. But it's been a while since I cleaned off this balcony because every time the landscaper come, they always cut the grass and then they blow all the dead leaves on my balcony. So it's kind of hard to keep it clean and free of debris. So I want to put a patio set on here, so I'm gonna try to keep it clean as much as possible, and maybe talk to the guys and tell them not to blow that stuff this way, but to try to keep it off my patio. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up my video, and share if you want. I appreciate it if you do. But here you can see I'm trying to get a control of these plants. I don't know what to do with them, but eventually I decided that I'm gonna get rid of some of them and then put some of the pots outside of my balcony. Since I'm on the first floor, it doesn't matter. No one is gonna steal them. They're perfectly fine where they are. Now I'm gonna dust some of the cobwebs that are around the balcony area, from all the dust and the debris and spiders and stuff. Cobwebs were forming, so I wanted to get rid of some of that. And then I'm gonna wipe down my door. As you can see here, it has, for some reason, a spot showed up on there, so I attempted to use Clorox to take it out. It helped a little bit, but overall I might just need a little paint. But unfortunately, they just painted the building, and I doubt I'm gonna have any, they're gonna give me any extra paint to paint it over. So I attempted to use a Clorox to clean it up, and hopefully that works. So now I'm going to attempt to put together my new patio set. I've been, thinking about purchasing it for maybe a year now, but it took me a while because it had to be the right set. I don't just purchase anything. So I found the right set on Wayfair. It's pretty cute. It's the right color that I want. It's like a dark gray and light gray cushion. So I'm gonna attempt to put it together. It's a pain in the butt because although it came in simple pieces, it's just screwing these things together. It's just ugh. So I put it on the patio so I don't have to struggle with it trying to get it through the sliding glass door. So I'm gonna put it together. You guys, it is so hot out here. I don't know what or who told me to attempt to put this patio set together in the dead heat of summer, but this summer has been like really hot, so you might see a few sweat marks here and there, but it's really hot out here. I'm really doing my best. Yeah, this summer is brutal. I hope you guys are staying hydrated, and stay out the sun. It's not good, and protect your skin from all the sun rays. It's not good. Take care of your skin. Drink lots of water. Also, guys, don't forget to stock up on like storm supplies and stuff. With the crazy weather that's been going on, you guys, we need to be prepared and stay prepared. So I hope you guys are well stocked and prepare your family and friends, inform them as well, and be safe out there. And I hope we have a great summer this summer. I hope so. No storms, no hurricanes. Let me get back to putting this furniture together. Well guys, I'm almost done. I'm basically tightening the last few bolts here. I want to thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate you guys subscribing, liking my videos, sharing my videos, and I hope to continue to grow and you guys continue to enjoy my videos. So here's the final look of the patio set. As you can see, it's a dark gray finish with light gray cushions, and hopefully my next video will be me redecorating and basically making over my balcony. So thanks for watching. Bye.